Hey guys, today I will teach you how to solve the Rubik's Cube. The first step you need to know is the color. So the blue is opposite of the green and yellow is opposite of white or black for some cubes, and the red is opposite of orange. The next thing is you need to know the algorithms for you. The beginners is the R is like this. If I say R prime, this will be like this. Okay, U prime, F prime, and L prime is like this, L is like this. One is V prime. Okay. First, you need to have a scramble cube. Okay, first you need to have to find cross and make a cross. Find the white edges. Solve the white face first. So this one is a matches. So put it down right here. Then you see this one make up like this, and you just turn it around, match the color, so I can see this one matches. So down, here matches cross like that, and see this one make R prime, F and R, you get something like this, white cross. And now the next step, you need to find the corners. So you can see one is right here, so matches the color of this side. Then I make algorithm which is R U R prime like that. Just putting this corner, and for this one is the same. So R U R prime. If for this one you need to do second time, two times for the algorithm, so then you get something like that. Okay, you get only like that. This one is the same. You should use the left hand. Okay, R prime, L prime, U prime, L, like that. The next step is you solve the second layer, which is the edges of second layer. First you need to find the edges. I see this one. So if you match the color of this like this one, so if you put in this slot, you need to go away like this. If put into this slot right here, you go this way, so this go this way, make L prime, U prime, then click L and go like that. Okay, match the color, you do the algorithm R U R prime, then you solve this slot. Then you can see same thing, go away because put into this slot, and do the algorithm, take this out, R U R prime, and do a U prime, match the color, then you do L prime, U prime, L, like that. Solve this one, and find another one. Let's see this one. So put like that, then I take this out, then match the color, and do this same thing right here, like that. Okay, like that. Okay, something like that. And after you done that, it will be like this, or maybe it will be something like this. Okay, what you need to do is make the algorithm R F U R prime U prime F, then C L, then turn it like that and make same thing R F R U R prime U prime, then this, then you do same thing again F R U R prime U prime and F prime, then you get something like this. Then the next step you need to do is do this algorithm R U R prime U R U2 and take something like this and do same thing again until you get something like this. Okay, then you do an algorithm like this R U2 R prime U prime R U prime, and you solve the yellow face. Another one is if you get something like this, which is the corner is facing like this. Okay, what you need to do is do an algorithm like that R U R prime U R U2, then you get solved. Then what you need to do is find the headlines, which is called headlines, and you match it up and put it at the back. Then you do this algorithm like this is R prime F R prime B2 R F prime R prime B2 and R2 like this. Then you get the highlights or one soft face like that. If you get something like this, which you get something like this, okay, then these edges you will be going to here with this like that. Okay, so the soft face facing you, so do this algorithm, which is R prime U R prime U prime R prime U prime R prime U R U R2, then you solve the face. If you get this, okay, this green, which is the opposite of blue, so you see something like this, you do the algorithm, which is R2 U prime R prime U prime R U R U R U prime R, then you solve it. Okay, these two algorithms you can practice like this and do this algorithm. If I get this, then I do algorithm this, I solve it again. Okay, I do algorithm like this, get this, then I do like this, solve it again. You need to practice more. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up to this video, and if you have any question, comment down below and we'll answer your question if I can. Bye.